Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Navien E438 error code, cold water sandwich error troubleshooting solved. Fix 1 is reset the water heater. Turn the Navien unit off, then unplug the power cord or switch off the breaker for 30 seconds. Restore power and restart the unit. Check if the E438 error disappear. Second one is check the cold water supply. Make sure the cold water supply valve is fully open, then verify that your home has normal water pressure. Open a hot water bucket and confirm water is flowing normally. A restricted water supply can trigger the error. Third one is clean the cold water inlet filter. Turn off power and wait for the unit, then locate the cold water inlet filter. Remove the filter and clean any sediment and debris. Then reinstall the filter and restart the water heater. Fourth one is remove air from recirculation pump. Open one or two hot water bucket, then let the water run for several minutes. Allow the recirculation system to operate and pour trapped air. Then close the bucket and check if the error is cleared. Air trapped into the pump can prevent proper water flow detection. Fifth one is inspect the recirculation pump. Listen for the pump when the recirculation system is active. Check for unusual noises, vibration or no operation at all. If the pump is not running, it may be faulty and require replacement. Thanks for watching.